Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
China's oil refinery throughput in 2022 fell 3.4% from a year earlier, its first annual decline since 2001, as China's rigid COVID-19 controls took a toll on the economy and fuel consumption. The dollar drifted above multi-month lows, while the yen was perched near 7-month highs, as investors held their breath for a potential policy shift at the Bank of Japan. BNB Chain has completed the burn of over $500 million worth of its native BNB tokens as part of a broader program. Over 100 million BNB, or half of its total supply, are intended to be removed from circulation through a burning process and to eventually keep only 100 million BNB in circulation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Fed's Beige Book will be released at 1900 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. Italy's trade balance EU at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.